Our next series will be
There's an app for that.
Have you ever asked yourself the question, where does my money go? Or how do I save more money? There's help. Actually, there's an app for that.
Our first class will be the pencil and paper app. The plan that worked for Grandma still works today.
Our second class will be the spreadsheet app. Save time and effort by entering your numbers in the spreadsheet at home.
Our third class will be the mobile app. Let your fingers do the work on your smartphone and create that spending plan that works for you.
And our fourth class will be the question and answer panel. Bring your questions and learn the strategies for staying on a budget. It's going to be a great series, so we hope to see you there. Until then, God bless.